Security is a priority for you and your family. You want to protect them while you are home and away. Other products leave loved ones at home vulnerable, especially those that can be tech-challenged, and those that don't have their own devices. You want everyone in your family to know who is at your front door. Introducing Brinno Duo Smart Peephole Door Cam, the ultimate home security solution. The Duo's innovative design turns existing peepholes into a powerful smart camera. Installation is so easy, you can do it yourself in seconds. Brinno offers the innovative solution that allows dual screens for local and remote live view. Brinno is also the first provider to offer local and remote storage, so you always know who has stopped by. The retrofit design keeps the camera hidden, giving you clear front images of visitors. With the DIY installation and no hidden cloud fees, you can keep your budget in check. Save smart on your smart device. With the Brinno Duo Smart Peephole Door Cam, you can feel safe knowing everyone in your family can open the front door with confidence. Made for your family. Brinno Duo Smart Peephole Door Cam.